Hi, welcome to another episode of Story Time with Ms. B. Today we're going to work on making pears. Not the kind you eat, but the kind that matches, right? So if your mom or dad says, go pick out a pair of socks to wear, or they may say, go pick out a pair of shoes to wear, right? You want to pick out shoes that match. You want to pick out socks that match. And that's what we are going to learn today about making pairs. So, sometimes on your paperwork that your teacher might give you, it shows you an example of what making pairs or whatever it may be on your paper consists of, right? Okay, so let's look at our example. It says a mitten and a mitten make a pair. That's right, because they match. They're the same. You're going to put one on your left hand and one on your right hand. Now, this one, a mitten and a glove, do not make a pair. Right, because they're not the same. Right. So let's read our directions and see what they want us to do. Ready? Okay. Look at the pictures in each row. Circle the two pictures that make a pair. It almost showed us the next page, what we're going to do. So we're not going to put an X on anything. We're not going to square. We're going to make a circle. So let's look at the first row. Which two shoes are alike? And then we're going to circle them, right? Because we want to make sure we have the same shoes on. Okay? I'm going to give you time to think about it. What are we gonna do? Time to think about it. And this is what you should do. Bing! We're going to choose the two tennis shoes. Because if we chose this one and this one, they would match, right? Right. Okay. Let's go to the next row. Which two are the same? I need to find two to make a pair. Look at it real good. I'm in this row, row 2. Look at it real good. And then I'm taking it away so you can have time to think about it. What am I gonna do? I've had time to think about it. And this is what you're gonna do. That's right. You're gonna circle these two right here. Okay? Let's go to row 3. Wow, look at those crazy socks. Which two am I going to choose to wear with my shoes? Well, I'm going to give you time to think about it. And this is what you're going to do. Circle the two that match just for you. Those are the two you should use, right? Right. Okay, so on row 4, we need some shoes to put on. I wonder which two I'm going to pick. Look real good, because I'm going to give you time to think about it. And this is what you're going to do. Time to think about it, to pick the right shoe. Ooh, that's right. And you know, you wouldn't pick this one because that's a horseshoe, right? Right. Okay, so look at it real good. That's called making pairs. Now we have time for one more. We're going to try one more, okay? Here we go. It's similar to the last one we just did, right? Right. So we are going to make sure to read the directions because even though it looks the same, the directions might be different. But you, just to be sure, always read the directions. Okay? Okay. Here we go. A sock, look at the top right here. A sock and a sock make a pair, right? Right, because they have the little diamond design on it and they match. Now, a sock and a shoe do not make a pair. Although you need the sock before you put on your shoe, that's not what it's asking you, right? It's asking you to make a pair of the same things, right? Okay, so let's look at our directions right there. Look at the pictures in each row. Circle the two pictures that make a pair. Okay? So row 1, we're looking for two pictures that are the same that would make a pair. I'm going to take it away so you can have time to think about it. And this is what you're gonna do. Time to think about it. Circle these two. That's right, two skis. That's right. Let's go to row 2. Row 2. I wonder which two we're going to circle. Look at it real good. Look at it real good, because I'm going to take it away so you can have time to think about it. And this is what you're going to do. Time to think about it. You should circle these two. That's right. Now they tried to throw you off a little bit, because although these two are gloves, they're not the same glove. But these two mittens are the same, right? Okay, so let's go to row 3. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful jewelry. Wow, we have to circle two necklaces that are the same. Or they could be two earrings. You never know. But we have to choose two that are the same. Look at it really good, because I'm going to take it away so you can have time to think about it. This is what you're going to do. Time to think about it. You should circle these two. Right. Those are the two. Now look at the last one. We're on row 4 right here. Row 4, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. I need two shoes, two items that are the same. Look real good. Look, you looking? I'll even put it up closer for you. And I'm gonna take it away so you can have time to think about it. And this is what you're gonna do. Time to think about it. You should circle these two. Right. Because when I go swimming or diving, I'm not gonna need a galosh boot or a rain boot or a rabbit house shoe, right? I'm gonna need these little flippers right here to put on my feet, so when I flip and splash in the water, they won't get wet. They will help me in the water, but not like this one or this one. All right, so let's look at our two. We called it making pairs. Look real close, right? And there you go. Wow, wasn't that exciting? Yes, you learned how to make pairs today. Give yourself a round of applause. Thank you so much for having fun with me today. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of Story Time with Ms. B. I'll catch you next time on another fantabulous episode. Remember, keep smiling, keep laughing, and keep reading. See you next time.